Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching that video. I really want to give a big thanks to Ashley from the Cardist for helping me make this video happen. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big old like. Big thumbs up. Yeah. Please give it a big old like, it'll be really appreciated, and make sure you check out Ashley's channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next video. So what do? Should we just like dive off? Oh yeah, we'll do the snappy thing and then disappear, yeah?
Subscribe to him, yeah? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Didn't work.
This is awkward.
Just clap. 3, 2, 1. Should we just done? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.